So hi everyone, welcome to my channel that is Dr. Duet. I'm Alfad, currently second year MBBS student. So I scored 176 in physics. So how did I score 176 in physics? So I will be telling all these things today. So let us start the video. So firstly, we will come to the weightage. So the weightage of physics in NEET is 180 at a total of 720 marks. So we have to see the importance of physics in NEET. So without physics, we can't crack the NEET. So physics is as important as chemistry, as important as biology. So we have to give more importance to physics. So in physics, there are many divisions like kinematics, kinetics, thermodynamics, quantum physics, and all these. So we have to segregate all these topics. So according to weightage, according to the importance, and according to the how much, what to say, number of questions that will arise from these topics. So I segregated all these topics on the basis of weightage and on the basis of importance, like, and gave more importance to these topics. So and I used to solve the PYQs, majorly the PYQs of these topics that appeared in NEET. I used to solve the PYQs from NEET 2014 to NEET 2022, and I used to also solve the PYQs of the JEE mains, so that the PYQs of JEE main were as similar as to the what to say, the PYQs of NEET. There is not much difference between these two, so I used to solve these questions also. Next, when it comes to the what to say, mock test, I used to solve the mock test of these topics. I used to select 2 to 3 topics from each chapters. That is, let us take an example of, I used to take kinematics, thermodynamics, and quantum physics. I used to what to say, recollect all these chapters, and I used to take the mock test on these chapters, so that I used to solve many more what to say, questions from it. And during the solving of these questions, I used to make some mistakes, so that I used to not skip that mistakes. I used to go on to the mistakes, and I used to what to say, see what the mistakes that I have done in these specific questions, and I used to what to say, recollect these mistakes in a book known as the mistake books. And I used to what to say, collect these mistakes in the what to say, the mistake books, so that I used to daily turn these what to say, pages of these mistake books, and I used to what to see, once recall the mistakes that I've done previously, and it should not be done in the future, so that the questions that would appear, that is from the same formula in the future, I used to do it correctly. So this was the major what to say thing that I used the new idea in order to reduce the mistakes. And then I used to recollect the formulas. I used to maintain a specific formula book for each chapter, so that I used to what to say, pen down all the what to say, important formulas of that specific questions or the specific chapters, so that what to say, the all the formulas of the what to say, shortcuts, formulas, and important formulas were what to be in the same specific book, so that I can't go out of the what to say, the formula book, so that many people will buy that book or Aryan book, what to others books, so that I used to not what to say, segregated myself to other books, so that I used to rely on specific books, that is specific formula book that is made by me. So you also make these specific short notes or the formula book of your own, by your own handwriting, so that when you see the book, you can easily what to say, remember the questions. So that next I used to what to say, take the full length questions, the next thing is how I balance the physics, chemistry, and biology. So, as the 3 subjects are also important for NEET, I used to balance all these subjects, so that in 12 hours of study, I used to what to say, segregate the timing for each subject, so that I used to study 3 hours physics, 3 hours biology, 3 hours chemistry, so that I used to balance all these subjects, so that every subject is important in NEET. So next thing is, on the exam day, how I managed to solve the physics, so that I solved the physics in 3 cycles, so that I segregated the questions of physics for as easy, moderate, and tough. In first cycle, I solved all the easy questions that appeared in NEET, and next I solved the moderate questions. Next, the further is the tough questions, so that so the questions in the physics were solved easily, so that there would be no disappointment for me to solve the physics, so that I used all these strategies to solve the physics for numericals. So that this is all about my how did I score 176 in physics. So if you like the video, please do subscribe. And